She was called Cuauhtémoc, a symbol of tradition, pride, and the future of the Mexican Navy. But on May 17, 2025, that future was shattered. Shortly after leaving Pier 17, the vessel lost control, drifting backward toward the Brooklyn Bridge. Masts snapped, chaos erupted, and from high above, two young cadets, just 20 and 23, fell to their deaths. This was not just an accident. It was a tragedy felt on both sides of the border, and a haunting reminder, even beauty at sea must answer to the power of the unknown.